Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're pleased to present one of our more recent arrivals, a 2019 registered Range Rover SVAutobiography with a 5-litre V8 supercharged engine. This example is finished in the striking Firenze red exterior with an exquisite duotone diamond stitch cirrus insert and ebony surround interior combination. Key features of this model include upgraded Meridian sound system, factory fitted rear entertainment, opening panoramic roof, heads-up display, and fully adjustable rear seating. For full details, image gallery and pricing, visit our website avsvehicles.com or contact one of our representatives to discuss further. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.